I'm just quickly going to show you how to get a flat wash. You position the paper so that it's at a 45-degree angle. You have your pigment already mixed, and you get a clean paintbrush so that you don't drag any of the solid pigment through your wash. You start at the top with a pool of the water at the top, and then you keep it wet. You drag that pool down so your actual brush is pretty wet and full of the pigment, and you pull it across, allowing the pool of pigment to sit at the bottom. As it goes down, the pigment is absorbed into the paper and you get a nice solid wash of colour that's very, very even. If you add it more like this, then you will have runs and stuff in it. But of course sometimes you want that depending on how you want it. But the way to get it to run flat is to tip it up and let the pigment sit to the bottom.